What's up, YouTube? Back again for another video. And man, this video I'm gonna be going over my November sales. So make sure you stay all the way to the end, show you my breakdown and a few tips. And later on today, I will be putting out a video, my top 10 um, tips and everything that the most important things I feel like I learned getting the tier 2000. So please go check that out later. Make sure you guys hit that sub button. Um, Comment below videos you want to see in the future. And hey, let's get straight into it. Let's see. So I ended out the month with 235 sales, which is my best month on merch by far. Um, this is my second Christmas, and I definitely learned from the first one. Um, so first things first, this month my royalties were way higher than any other month. My royalty per sale, because mostly every shirt I just put out 19.99, 17.99, and some things are just higher. Um, I definitely prioritize sweatshirts and stuff that has higher royalties. So yeah, um, I don't really sell that much in different marketplaces, and that's something that I definitely want to work on in the coming forward. Now that I have more space, now that I don't have to worry about, you know, because of the new design rule. Um, Returns. I had 8 returns. My best day was 23 sales. Let's see. I sold 57 unique products, different designs. And let's look at this. Um, my bread and butter is always standard shirts. I sold a lot more long sleeve t-shirts than I'm used to. So if you usually overlook the long sleeve t-shirts, I would definitely use those. It's getting colder where I live, so you know it's December time, so shit's getting cold. So you wanna do shit accordingly. So I sold 22 long sleeves, 15 pullovers, 14 sweatshirts. I've been actually selling throw pillows, which has really been shocking me. So you never know. Um, After you get so many slots, just start using all the products, even if you don't think they're gonna sell, because you never fucking know. Because I damn sure didn't try to sell any of these. I just put them on just because I'm trying to fill in my slots, and they sold. So I'm definitely going to be looking at more of these in the future. I sold 5 V-necks and 2 premium shirts. Fit types, 50% men. You guys can see this. I don't want to bore you with it. Um, my number one is always black t-shirts in navy. I probably use these two on the most products. Um, let's see. So my top seller of the month is this Christmas shirt right here. Um, it's been crazy because I've been having to protect this design so much. So many people's been trying to rip this design off, and I don't know about other YouTubers, but I tell motherfuckers to report them bastards. Don't let people keep copycatting your shit, especially if you got original designs. I never do it off any ones that are pre-made or like a little bit of it's pre-made, but these ones that I make original, oh, I'm reporting that ass. I don't got time. So, that's one thing now I'm making sure I can keep my sales up too, where there's not people ripping my shit off people putting it at $13.07 while I have it at $19.99. That's one thing, how people's sales start plummeting, is so many people start copycatting. You gotta stay on top of that shit. So I just started putting it in my routine, 15 minutes when I wake up, 15 minutes before I go to sleep. I'm reporting these motherfuckers. It only takes a few minutes. If you guys need a video on how to report people, I will gladly do so. There's so many people that are making merch worse and saturating the markets, and we getting these motherfuckers up out of here. I'm not one of them YouTubers that tell you, oh, I don't report people because it's discouraging. Like, it's just like letting somebody rob you over and over again and you don't say nothing. Like, that's just not how I'm cut. So if I see your ass cheating or using my designs, I will report your ass. I am not one of those. So just putting that out there. I guess I had a bunch of hit designs, but I had a little bit of everything was selling. As you can see here, a little bit of everything. It wasn't really one-sided, but most of these are my Christmas designs. I found a good niche and I fucking ran with it, and I haven't been making nothing else for the last 2 months but something in this same niche. I found a good Christmas niche that was under 600 or 700 results, and just ran with it, really, and making them over and over and over again. So I ain't gonna lie to you, when Christmas is over, I'm sure my sales are gonna plummet, because not many of my my evergreens are selling. I'm having the same problem as other YouTubers. My sales for my evergreens are plummeting. you know but shit, fuck it. I found a good niche, so I'm running with it. I'm gonna make as much money as I can before the end of the next month. um like I said, I'm at pretty much $950, and it's the most money I've ever made. It felt good for this month, and I'm gonna double down, and probably towards the end of the month, like right before Christmas sales, or may not make it, I'm gonna make sure I start posting more and more of my evergreens. I actually might do it earlier. I think after December 7th, I'm gonna stop making Christmas shirts, ride those out, and then just keep posting evergreens. Um, and see if I can get some of those going before Q4 is over. But yeah, how many sales did you guys get this month, man? You guys comment below and tell me how many sales did you get in November, and also tell me what tier you're in, man. This is about my merch journey, but I also want you guys to share yours with me too. So let me know in the comment section. Um, Let me know that, and shit. Till next time, man. That's pretty much all I got for this video. Make sure you guys subscribe, like my shit, comment, let me know y'all fucking with me, and shit. Look out for my video later today.